Hello, I'm Jason Buck, and I'm in a really special spot right now in an upper Portuguese Bend. This is an incredible community, and it actually has a ton of history. This is a gated community, but what's unique is that when they built Crenshaw Boulevard from up top, this land started moving. So there's a bit of a slide here. It's really well known, and it's actually, historically, it's pretty crazy. A lot of people are curious about what's happening here, and there's been studies, geological studies all over. So some of these homes, you can see this is not the home for sale, but it's raised. You can see there's a skirt around the outside. So they actually raised the home up and put it on I-beams. So this is a pretty crazy driveway here. I mean, these properties have incredible views, incredible privacy, but there is some land movement, so there's some disclosures about how to handle this stuff. It's pretty neat. So anyways, I grew up in this area. We used to play back here all the time. There's some really beautiful homes back here that are stable, and there's some that are moving and have cracks, so there's a lot to learn about and deal with these properties. So here's our frontage. You can see the garage in the back. And then once we're in, It's beautiful. It's a great spot. Beautiful trees, little guest house. Pretty special. Another little hut there. All right, looking back around. Well, let's go check this guest house first. We got a covered, that garage is a total tilt. So I think that's a different property. And then this is the lower grounds of this property. And then this is just a guest house. Cute. Super cute. Just a bathroom. Kind of a cooktop. No shower. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, so Trex deck. Got a hot tub over here. We're gonna get an aerial view here real quick. So part of, and this is just the killer view from here, barbecuing. You're looking right down at lower Portuguese Bend with the golf course in the distance on the point. All that beach there. It's a private beach club. It's really, really special. This is part of it. This is the garage, and this is a container home that's included in this sale. So let's do this property first. Nice entrance.
Oh, I know. I thought the same thing. I was like, it just opened.
This is pretty. So good cabinetry. Tongue and groove cushion clothes. Nice. Nice kitchen. Floors are a little uneven. Feel like we're sloping down this way. Wow, this is pretty here, I'll tell you. Nice big windows looking out towards the view. So that home there, you can see how it's raised. That's all on stilts, meaning they put giant I-beams under the house and then they go through and jack it up. So here's our front room. This is cool. I like the oak floors. Half bath up top with the room. It's a 3/4 of a shower. Staircase going down. So one room over this way. Well, they're using it for a rec room. And then it comes out to laundry outside, workshop, all that. Let's see if we can get in here. So we're in the garage. It's full of stuff. Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sorry to bother you.
That's okay.
Wow, this is a container. So cool. Hi, Meow. I hear you. Hi. So then they have still some yard out here. Meow, 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 meow. Very talking. That's the bathroom.
A closet. Well, this was going to be our new bathroom.
Yeah.
That's the bathroom, but we were going to move it to there.
Yeah.
And that's the closet.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks. Sorry to disturb you.
No, you're good.
Right. They're worried about their cats getting out because there are coyotes in the area, as well as snakes and things like that. But that's what happens when you're out in the woods like this. Wow, that view is awesome. Yeah, it's really pretty. These are containers. They literally put siding on it and everything. It's just amazing. So this could be on beams, I'm not sure. So there's a downstairs bath. A couple other rooms. Another room. And this rec area. This is nice. Huh. Pretty, man. I mean, this is just a gorgeous area. Really, really special. There's so much history. This is actually where Vanderlip first landed. Frank Vanderlip bought all of Palos Verdes in 1913 for 1.3 million, and he settled in the back here. So a lot of these streets were all named after his daughters and things, Narcissa and so forth. And it's really special. There's a lot of history, and it's pretty unique. There's nothing like this. So if you got questions about the area or want to learn more, give me a call. I'm happy to explain and share it with you. And well, it's a really good thing out here in Palos Verdes. Thanks a lot for watching, and make it a great day.